Is Picoworkers legit and a real way to earn some extra cash online, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Picoworkers review and tutorial I will give you a full inside look and show you exactly what you can expect so you can decide if you actually want to join or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites and paid service sites. I have now logged into Picoworkers, and let me just say right away, yes, it is a site where you can actually earn a bit of extra cash, but it's not necessarily the most effective. That really depends on you and your preferences, and I will show you all that here. But once you're logged in, it is in one sense quite simple because there are not a lot of different places you can click around. There is a tab here called Small Jobs, and that is where you find all the different jobs or tasks you can do. You basically just scroll down and then you can go through and see all these different tasks and the name of them. Over here it says international. That means that you can do the task no matter where you live. Actually, sometimes when you click, for example, if I click here and you get the description, there are sometimes excluded countries. In this case, you can do it from all countries except from India, Bangladesh, the US, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. So you just still have to check if your country is actually allowed to do this task before starting it. If you are from a country that is not allowed to do it, you will not get paid, and it will affect your overall trust, which means eventually you can have your account closed down if you keep doing jobs you're actually not allowed to do, or if the tasks you do will not be approved. So before taking a task, you can see exactly how much you would get here, and you can see how many jobs that are available and how many of them that has already been done. That way you know if you have to hurry up to actually get the task or not. Many of the tasks are quite simple, but they do not necessarily pay very well. These are other members that actually create these, so it is not offers from advertisers as such. It is other members that have found some kind of offer they would like to promote, or maybe their own Facebook page or Instagram page or something like that they would like to get some more traffic to. So then they can post it here and pay people to do that, or to sign up for certain offer they want to promote. That also means that there are kind of middlemen here, and that is also why sometimes you do not get very high rewards. In most cases you do actually not get very high rewards. Some of the tasks are definitely easy to do, for example to visit a website or to download an app or something like that, but you always have to really carefully read the exact conditions. So if you, for example, click something here that would give you 4 cents, it's available worldwide, and you can see you will be rated within 7 days. That means that within 7 days the person that posted the task will approve or disapprove your work here. So you will not get paid right away when you actually done the task. It needs to be approved first. But here it shows exactly what you need to do. So first make sure to check that out so you actually know that it will be worth it. And then here it also says which proofs you need. Usually you need to show some kind of proof so the person posting the job actually knows that you have done it. If not, you will of course not get paid. What I like here is that you can definitely always find a way to earn something here, no matter where you live. But the rates are of course not so high, so you have to choose carefully and make sure to read the descriptions of the task carefully before starting, because some of them are very fast and easy to do, then that's fine, and others are quite involved for what you actually get for it. In addition to doing the Picoworkers tasks, you can also invite other people to join Picoworkers and earn a little bit extra by doing that. You can see you will earn 5% from each task, so that means that will not be taken from the earnings of that person. This will be paid by Picoworkers because you have invited somebody else. But since the rewards people get are not very high, 5% is of course also not a lot, so you would need to invite a lot of really active members to make any real earnings here. But then it can also be a kind of passive income. If you invite people that end up depositing money here to actually post jobs themselves, you will also get 5% of what they are depositing. So how can you then get your earnings out from Picoworkers? Well, there are some pretty good options in my opinion. You can see there are some cryptocurrencies, and you can also get paid through PayPal, so you can actually also get them in cash if you would like that. So that is definitely great. You can get your earnings out once you've earned $5, but you have to be aware that there is a processing fee, so you need to earn a little bit more to cover this processing fee as well. You can see here the processing fee depends on your chosen payout method. For PayPal, for example, it is 7%. I must say that is a pretty high processing fee compared to other Get Paid To sites I have tested. Many PayPal sites actually offers to pay out without any processing fee, and the highest I've seen on most other sites is around 2%. So I think 7% is a little bit over the top. But you just need to take that into consideration when you start earning, so you know that you will not necessarily get the full amount paid out, because you do have to pay this processing fee as well. Once you have requested a payout, it will take up to 10 business days to actually get the money. So a little bit slow, but still definitely not too slow. So you will get the money within 2 weeks or so. Overall, Picoworkers is legit and you can actually earn here. And it has both some good sides, but definitely also some drawbacks in my opinion. I like that you can actually join and always find ways to earn here no matter where you live. That is quite unique. There are not many sites where you can always find ways to earn no matter the country you are from. However, the rewards you get here for the tasks you complete are quite low compared to tasks on many other Get Paid To sites. And also the payout processing fee is a little bit too high in my opinion. So this is definitely something you have to weigh against each other before deciding if you should join or not. But I hope this review and tutorial have given you a full overview of exactly what to expect and if it will be worth it for you or not. I have even more details in a full written review on my website, paidfromservice.com. Here I also have a list of some sites that in my experience give higher rewards if you are interested in checking that out. You can check that out through a link below this video. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid To sites and paid service sites.